Hello friends, myself Karthik Annadurai from Regrob.com, India's biggest real estate brokerage firm, and today we are going to visit Keerthi Regalia project which is located in Sarjapur. This project is ready to move in project. This project offers 2 and 3 BHK apartment. It has total 2 towers with 18 floors each and 174 units in total. This project is constructed over an area of 1.25 acres. This project is a RERA registered project. Viewing the inside view of the project. This is the living area, kitchen area. This is the washroom area. This is the bedroom of the flat. This is the another bedroom of the flat. This is the washroom area. This is the another bedroom of the flat. Thank you friends for watching us. For more real estate updates, please subscribe us, and for real estate bookings, do call us on the given number in subscription. Thank you, Regrob.com. Now we are inside the one of the flat.